Hi guys, today I'm going to do my full face makeup with my left hand. That's like a left hand challenge. So I have Auric beauty products with me, so I'm going to use their products and create a look. So for the first product, I'm using their Healthy Glow makeup base. This is like a primer. This is perfect for dry skin people because this gives that right amount of glow and hydration. And for oily and combination, this gives that right amount of glow. I'm using their Cover Matte foundation in the shade Warm Chestnut. Though I'm doing it with my left hand, this blends really well, and this is completely a matte foundation. I'm setting this with Blend Easy Compact in the shade Earthy Tan. I'm going to drop all the links in the description so that you guys can check out. I love the way it's blending really well. To add that pop-up color, I'm using blush. I love using blush because it'll enhance the entire look. I'm not taking any risk here, so I'm just using one shade of eyeshadow. I'm using Auric Everyday Mascara in the shade Black. I totally love mascaras because it'll enhance my lashes. So for the first time, I've used Intensive Kajal in the shade White. I was almost about to pop my eyes, but I'm safe there. So I've never used white kajal. Like, what do you guys think about white kajal? I'm ending this look with lip crayon in the shade Love Potion. I think I've done a great job using my left hand. How much do you guys rate for this? Do let me know in the comments. Until next time, bye guys.